how to put images side by side in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to neatly place images side by side in Notion, making your pages more organized and visually appealing. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by heading to Notion, and log into your account. Once you're in, open the page where you want to place your images. If you haven't uploaded them yet, go ahead and upload your images to the page. Now, hover over the image you want to move. You'll see 6 dots appear on the left. This is your drag handle. Click and hold those dots, then drag the image toward the side of another image. Keep an eye out for a vertical blue line to appear. This line tells you the image will snap into place beside the other. Release the image and boom, you've placed them side by side. You can do this with multiple images, adjusting spacing as needed. It gives your page a clean, professional look while saving space. That's all for the video. Go try it out and make your Notion pages pop.